Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am breaking down exactly how you can start earning money on Fiverr. Even if you are completely beginner, I will walk you through the steps I put to get my first client and grow my income online in Fiverr. Let's get started. Fiverr is a freelancing platform where you can offer digital services starting at $5 and scale it up from there. Clients from all over the world and search for services, whether it is design, marketing, writing, or tech, and will hire freelancer like you. Choose your skill or services. First things about what you are good at. Can you design, write, edit videos, or even do voiceovers? That's your niche. If you are not sure, start small with something you are learning. Create a Fiverr account and set up gigs. Once you are signed up, you will need to create gigs that are like mini programs with a catchy title, clear description, eye-catching image, and schedule price. Think of it like an online store for your services. Get your password. When you are starting out, you might need to promote your gig on social media. Send it to your friend or accept by request. Your goal is to get their first 5-star review because it will trust them and attract more clients. How did I get the password? I share my gig in social media. I market my gig every day. Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Suddenly, 1 month later, I got an order and got a 5-star review from my clients. Deliver quality and build reputation. Always deliver quality work, communicate well, and stay professional. Even one happy client can lead to repeat business and referral. So that how you can start earning money on Fiverr in 2025. If you want help creating your first gigs or have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to start freelancing too. See you in the next video.